Hello everyone and welcome to Katrine's Kitchen. Today we will be making shrimp balls. You will need 1 pound of shrimp that has been washed, shell off, deveined. You need 2 lemons to wash your shrimp. When you are finished washing your shrimp, you drain your water and you pat your shrimp as dry as possible to remove as much water as possible. You're going to put into your food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can just finely chop your shrimp. You're going to put your 1 pound of shrimp that's been cleaned. You're going to put 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 4 finely chopped pimento peppers, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. You're going to process it until it's chunky, not fine, okay? So you're going to pulse and make sure it's the right consistency. You do not want it mushy. You want it to still have some texture. Okay, let's see what this looks like. So this is what you are looking for, okay? So now you are going to take this out. You're going to put it in a bowl and we are going to add the rest of our ingredients. So now that you have your shrimp mixed here, you are now going to add half cup of breadcrumbs. You can use panko breadcrumbs or you can just use plain breadcrumbs. You're going to add 1 beaten egg, 1/4 cup of chives, 1/4 cup of cilantro, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You're going to mix this. Now you can take your mixture, form it into balls, and put it in the refrigerator to chill for approximately around half an hour or more if you like. This causes the dough to be able to stick together so that when you fry it, it does not fall apart. Please do not fry it in a lot of oil. You cover the bottom of your pot with oil and you fry your dough on both sides until it is brown. Too much oil causes the shrimp balls to retain too much of the oil and it gets just oily and it's not crispy enough. When we are finished, we are going to form it into balls and we are going to put it to chill for half an hour. Okay, so guys, we are going to now roll out our shrimp balls. When you roll it out and you make it into a ball, you are also going to roll it in some extra panko breadcrumbs to give it that extra crisp. You roll out approximately 1 tablespoon. After you have finished rolling and you have done putting it all into your breadcrumbs, you now put it in the refrigerator and you chill it for about half an hour so it sets and then you can fry it. Okay guys, so now that our shrimp balls have been chilled, you will put it in a hot oil, but please do not fill the pot with oil. It's like shallow oil, okay? And you're going to fry it until it's brown all over. One more. Don't fry it on high heat, fry it on medium heat so that the heat penetrates to the center and everything is cooked. Okay, so you fry on both sides and all around until it's nice, golden brown. Then you put it on some paper towels to drain and you can serve.